Hi guys, it's me Khurram Fida here with you. In this video, I'm going to let you know how you can promote your hair growth and how to prevent your hair loss. So guys, in this video, I'm going to let you know how to make this solution for your hairs. This video, I'm going to divide in 3 parts. The first part would be related to the benefits of the ingredients, and the second part, it would be related to the ingredients with the quantity, and our third and the final part would be the procedure. So guys, now we are going to start our video, and now I'm going to let you know about the benefits of the ingredients that we are using for this solution. Eggs, when combined with the castor oil, can help make the hair strong and also promote the growth. Both eggs and the castor oil are rich in a fatty acid that helps nourish your hairs. Eggs are also rich source of the much coveted biotin, often referred to as a hair growth vitamin. Castor oil, though thick in the consistency, helps unclog pores, cleanses the scalp, and aids in the repair and the renewal of hair cells. It is also antibacterial, anti-gelasic, and antifungal, and helps keep dandruff and other scalp conditions at bay. That was first part of the video where I have discussed with you the benefits of the ingredients. Now we are going to second part of the video where I'll let you know about the ingredients and the quantity. So guys, for this solution we needed 2 ingredients. Number 1, we need eggs, and number 2, we need the castor oil. So guys, now I'm going to let you know about the quantity. For the eggs, we need 2 in a quantity, and for the castor oil, we need 1 tablespoon. So guys, that was the quantity. Now we are going to our third part of the video where I'll let you know about the process. This is 3-step method, and the step 1 is take 2 eggs and beat them. So guys, now I'm going to let you know what you have to do in this step. Number 1, break open 2 eggs in a bowl. Number 2, beat them well using a hand blender. Guys, that was our step 1. Now we are going to step 2, and our step 2 is add castor oil. So guys, now I'm going to let you know what you have to do for this step. Number 2, whisk again and blend in oil. Number 2, whisk again to blend in the oil. Continue to do so till the mixture turns frothy. So guys, that was our step 2. Now we are going to our step 3, and our step 3 is store in a jar and apply on your scalp and hair. So guys, now I'm going to let you know what you have to do for this step. Number 1, transfer the mix to a jar for storage. Number 2, use a brush to apply the mix on your scalp and hair. Number 3, cover your head with a shower cap and leave it for 30 minutes. Number 4, wash your hairs with a mild shampoo and let your hairs dry naturally. That was third part of the video where I have shared with you the process, how to make it and how to apply on your hairs. By using this solution, once a week you may have the silky and the proper hair growth. So guys, now after this I'm going to let you know one important thing. If you are using conditioner, you don't need to use the conditioner because it has the same properties like the conditioner having. So that was the solution for today. Next time I'll come with some other and interesting solution that would be helpful for you. Till that time, take care.